Are you searching for the best dashcams? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best dashcams in 2025. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. 70x4K dashcam A800S built-in GPS. The A800S uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture and Sony IMX415 sensor that process frames to deliver images with better clarity and vividness. The A800S pushes the limits of image quality with industry's highest resolution standard up to 4K ultra-high definition of 3840 2160p, delivering incredibly clear frames when you are on a road trip. Powerful night vision. The A800S uses an f1.8 aperture lens with 3D DNR, dynamic noise reduction technology and smart AI algorithm to reduce image noise. This gives the A800S outstanding low-light performance, delivering clear images during any time of day or under certain weather conditions. The ADAS will detect your surroundings and uses voice alerts to warn you of safety problems. Built-in GPS monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, km/h, mph, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. 24-hour parking surveillance. Keep monitoring when you are away. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary, and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dash cam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on.